Some creators are pulling in millions of views with these AI flying dragon videos, and the crazy part is that most people have no idea how easy they are to make. A single video can explode overnight, bringing in thousands of followers and massive engagement. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it's done using completely free AI tools. But here's the best part. Later in this video, I'll show you a second method that produces even more realistic results while keeping your costs extremely low. So make sure you stick around for that. But first, here's what I put together in under 3 minutes. Pretty impressive, right? Now let's get into exactly how to make these from scratch. Head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. If you don't see it there, click Apps, then GPTs to open the Explore page. Search for Flying Dragon Generator and open the first result. Hit Start Chat and click to launch the generator. It'll instantly give you 10 unique flying dragon scene ideas to choose from. You can pick one of the suggestions, type your own idea, or even ask for more options if you want. I'm going with number 1. Type it in and send it, and within less than a minute, the GPT will generate 2 things for you, an image prompt and a matching video prompt. And don't stop at just one scene. The real advantage here is generating multiple scenes at once. You can work from the top all the way down, pick all 10, and have an entire batch of content ready to go in a single session. Now copy the image prompt and head over to Magic Hour. Links in the description. If you're new to the platform, create a free account. The moment you log in, you'll receive 100 free credits to start generating right away. And make sure you log in daily because Magic Hour gives you 100 fresh free credits every single day, so don't leave those on the table. Inside Magic Hour, find the generation tools in the top left. Click Image and select AI Image Generator. Paste your image prompt into the prompt box. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating content for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For resolution, choose 2K for higher quality, although 1K also works perfectly fine. Make sure Nano Banana 2 is selected as your model. Choose how many images you want generated and hit Generate. After a short wait, your dragon image will be ready. Here's how mine turned out. Download the image and continue generating the remaining scenes. Now it's time to bring the dragon to life. Under each generated image, you'll find the generation tools. Click the video option. For the video model, select C-Dance 2.0. Your image should already be loaded as the starting frame. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the matching video prompt, then paste it into the prompt box. Set the duration to 10 seconds, leave the quality at 720p, make sure the audio toggle is on, and hit Generate. After the rendering finishes, you'll have a fully animated flying dragon sequence. Here's my result. Honestly, I love how this turned out. The movement looks fantastic, and that's exactly the type of content viewers can't stop watching. Go ahead and repeat the same process for all your remaining scenes so you have a full collection ready to upload. Now, as promised, let's look at the second method. This time we're using Google Flow, and one of the reasons I really like this option is that image generation is completely free, and the video generation costs are very reasonable compared to most alternatives. Copy one of your image prompts and head over to Google Flow AI. Create an account if you need one and start a new project. If Flow isn't available in your country, just use a VPN to get around that. Once you're inside, switch to image mode generation. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16, change the image output to 2, and select Nano Banana 2 as your model. Paste your prompt and hit send. Within moments, your images will be ready, and honestly, the quality is genuinely impressive. Choose your favorite, download it, and delete the one you don't need. Now keep Flow open because we're immediately turning that image into a video. Open the settings panel and switch from image mode to video mode. Select first frame, not any of the other options. Set your aspect ratio, leave the video output at 1x, select VEO 3.1 fast. Once that's done, click the 3 dots on your image and choose Add to Prompt. Return to ChatGPT, copy the matching video prompt, paste it into Flow, and hit send. And here's the result. The motion is smooth, the details are sharp, and VEO 3.1 fast is seriously impressive. Continue generating the rest of your scenes the same way until your full batch is complete. Now once all your clips are ready, open your video editor. I'll be using CapCut. Import all your clips and arrange them on the timeline. You can add transitions between scenes if you want smoother cuts, but honestly, these dragon clips already look great on their own. Now here's one tip you really don't want to skip. Don't add background music inside your editor. Export the completed video first. Then, when uploading to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, add a trending sound directly on the platform. The algorithm consistently favors videos using popular audio, and it gives your content a much better chance of being pushed to a wider audience. And that's the entire process. 2 simple methods, completely free and built to repeat at scale. Now it's your turn to experiment. Build out your batches and see which dragon scenes perform best with your audience. If you enjoy discovering new AI content niches before everyone else jumps on them, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.